with the dream and aspiration to have an owned enterprise. Srilatha took the courageous step to open the Girni business in 2020. Her daily grind, patience and self-belief got her business not just profitable in 3 years, but also she was able to add a ginger garlic paste machine to her business. Similarly, Bhanu B, with fire in her belly and confidence in her skills, started a loom to make Gadwal silk saris in 2019. Fueled by the indomitable spirit and a zest for life of such enterprising women, India's GDP could increase by an additional 60% or $2.9 trillion by 2025. It is with this objective that Spandana has been the partner behind the success of over 9.5 million women borrowers across Bharat through its microloans for the past 25 years. For us, womanhood has been the bedrock of our success. Women empowerment and women entrepreneurship coupled with the spirit of collaboration, togetherness and shared responsibility. As a microfinance lender, it is our commitment to build a resilient Bharat that is inclusive, equitable, secure and offers decent work opportunities for all our stakeholders. One that consistently strengthens the socio-economic well-being of women. Today, through our 1500 plus branches across 19 states and with over 12,500 devoted employees, we are able to provide hassle-free and personal connection to our 2.7 million women borrowers.
नमस्ते सर, मैं स्पंदना स्फूर्ति हेड ऑफिस से बात कर रही हूँ जी।
Spandana Sphoorty Financial Limited is a pan-India microfinance company. Our primary business line is to give small ticket loans to our customers. 100% of our customers are women, and we strongly believe that this is the highest level of women empowerment that as an institution we can do. Outside of microfinance, we have a wholly owned subsidiary called Chris Financials Limited, where we do 2 more businesses. There's a loan against property, where we extend loan to our borrowers against the properties that they would own. And the second business line is nano enterprise loans. The nano enterprise loans are essentially loans to shopkeepers, retailers and the small time businessmen. Being an institution, we are 90% rural or we are 90% in Bharat of India.
We have been on a consistent growth path and we are continuously investing in technology, processes and people to be future ready to meet the ever-growing aspirations of Bharat. The number of lives we transformed is evidence of our commitment to the sustainable development of India.
We truly believe that for India to progress, the Bharat of India has to progress. Being a company which is 90% Bharat, we strongly believe in the story and we will continue to invest in Bharat in the coming years.
A small dream is all it takes to make a big impact on individuals, families and communities. Let's join forces to bring many more millions of dreams to life and let's build Bharat.